Welcome! In front of me I have DIESEL On Axial watch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the middle button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the sound option and tap on it. And right here we have media volume, alarm volume, and ring volume. First, let's tap on the media volume. And here we can adjust the sound volume for the media, for example, music and stuff like that. You can do it by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back. Now let's tap on alarm volume. And here we can adjust the volume for the alarm clocks. Oh, my bad. And once you're done, you can swipe right to go back. Next we have the ring volume, and here we can adjust the volume for the ringtone. And once you're done, you can press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.